for me ma wonyina ya ho ache yesan so da ewade yakopon asese ene aye ne dom ne pe na wode yankwa ache se ene kwasie anopai so yemfa salvation era emfa mrel anopai yenkwasie da anopa no so dwumadie bi aye di ewade ye yadom yensaka yensofo panyin ne ne di nkitawudie efa wonmone ne odwuma wodi eti asofo ensore ene ankwankran panyimfo nyina last week ya shase ye ka bibi fa about spirit ho ene so so ye ko nshanka asafo wade yensaka yensofo panyin ye kwa goben no ne na toa enkomotwetwe ne so afa about spirit na dem bacho good morning.
Good morning.
Bacho what you saying?
Nyame adom.
The way they say. Me bacho enkomotwetwe na ye toa so na ne no me pese ye focusing more on medical potia sa about spirit odi ni titiw ne asafo mu ene ne story asofo enso na ansa na me pese mbisa say on say Bible last week odi me kom no me hu say Aaron Israel for no ye ya ma omo etimi ye abosom kakra emo omo som no san so na ma me reference o Jezebel on so ye abosom tin be say bad spirit on e di abosonsu machi
ana yeah, bad spirit with the abosom semachi they can define a bad spirit as a lord, as a husband, as a master, as lord, as a leader, and as a teacher. That is bad spirit. Nijumedia, oh yeah. But near canon no a baby shown confusion in the church, and that is how it's here. Baby, I don't saw there will be there is a division beyond, meaning said the spirit of Ba and a bad spirit. A juma. And now, or yes, I didn't to cause confusion or to split the church. About 80% of churches are splitting, because splitting are divided. Are caused by bad spirit. And in the Bible, the causes of church splitting, which is caused by bad spirit.
Okay, na say can you me die potin no wodi no.
Bad spirit is the cause of splitting of churches, division of churches, confusion in churches. And then person yebekasa about it. Na me bobo niema be it's about 100.
Wow.
I nyame aka kire me about the causes of esisu aso ye the cause ne bad spirit but ye be kum be e be 20 and 24 meeting mention na yahwe.
Okay. Nampacho still no on say eno ho ye bremu ya ansa na ye beba courses ne so me pesa we make something clear here. Ene ye bremu no obe ha wona wodi abosonsomachi wona wogina ho ma abosonsomfo eyi wonanim biase afa na nyina to the extent so ba TV so on ferry e ba be ye ho advert sa honhom na show putupa eyi ferry afiri wonanim emo mutim bedi sa adwuma na na
one thing is say baby bia obehu sa abosom sem ne me akobia I mean say the bad spirit no oye na adwuma na bad spirit so then because we are very intelligent, very smart, and we aggressive. What I mention I say timne be wodo obi ye adwuma o manani so ahie bi ti asofo be do bad spirit do mo ye adwuma o manya ani so ahie bi a destroy the church and I say if the church abosom fon say the same thing the bad spirit no oba so mo ani so ahie ma de kasa ama de attack ama wutimi e de kan wadwene. What I mention I say at times you would think that you are doing the right thing by now ayade a wo ye e de adeso na adwumadie eno no because so a master.
Okay, sisi aka sembi se asofo bi na se asofo ni mu bi ho no ma o mani so hyehyeshi o mu nsuo nipa mfari nipa asembi obeyi ano asembi obeka no honhom na ehye na chi ma na yesana.
Not really. Say sofo bi oni so ahye bia no you are being influenced by bad spirit no. Medical can say 80% of church splitting and a confusion in the churches are caused by spirit of Baal.
Okay.
And as that spirit of Baal, only Jezebel spirit in the year Jumabum. There are things that Obetima de Biase. Say Basame bo points na Obetiasi. Nyame on concrete mo bi ani so hye. Eya ade a en fa confusion ma.
Okay.
Ebe ma and so hye wo de be act you won't find react. Wo de be act. Acting is a positive side of reacting. but and so share a reactive problem eba after waka say we after when maybe we it's not from God.
Okay.
Because when nyame sakasaka.
Okay, to the moment of confusion, baby, no who baby at the queen.
Yes. But you need a sort of discernment to discern. This one now wait no say dey we infri nyame. Ti ne be ekoso asore ekoso tips ekoso radio so about asofo bi nom ne sem bi omo keka ni we nyina no. About 80% are spirit of bar.
Okay. Wede me so ewi a mesre wa no obon pa ya ma me ne mahwefo na honhom ne yenya bi say yen so ebetimi de dictate na pa chom pese ye ba o say the causes, the major causes of bad spirit ewo asafo ene asofofo o moda asafo ano ntim pese kasa kakra fa oni ehu ekwan a ene dwema otimi fa so ewura asafo mu identity mu beba from sofo panyin so to nsori ma so pa chom pese o hwe kakra
the causes no e be confusion between leaders.
Bad spirit.
The confusion about bad spirit here one. So we shall or try Moses any Aaron and them to influence the followers. Me say what I say. To me be attack from so to be suffer na to say pastor na pray. Suffer bo na a suffer ni bi ene ne ko ne bi gun animu as na bi yesi na bi say a spirit of bad.
Okay.
Some people follow suffer be suffer no be bless so mo be owi o suffer in free nyame. And a suffer be question at free nyame bia make us so free nyame.
But you me say wasem bi asofofo ne bi ono mo do asofofo mpanyifo na chi a titiru asofo nkato no mo do asofo mpanyifo chi a obehu anu afa no sofo na chi na okwa asofofo na okwa se no sofo na chi asofo no say ya beje no e ba na de ne ya adwuma na
ba and a spirit suffer be obi ba wo nche obi frɛ osora be bia obeje ne just like that bia no be very careful. What's the bad spirit to do here, Juma? Yes.
No, omonim said omo ye adwuma.
Be braining. I say be ye be bromo be for by they don't know. By me treaty witchcraft. Ti eba ho no meka ho asem. By now the bad spirit no here. And was a marriage and marriages of people and men of God to be destroyed. Ugu asofo warrior, ugu nsonma warrior, u break relationship, even courtship, dating, outing with me break it because na dey be or say na dia ba ko no sa so pride and disobedient in singers o manyomtofo eya hanta bo nyumtuni bi ba obeba na nice ba one fesare bo na hanta bi na ne kasem ni ade na oba be hunu so we superior na we the best ni nyina na spirit of ba and so sa de no
anyomto de a okay o hu ni say omo free level bi call level bi promotion ti sa no ensese otese de ote so omo ne ho so kakra na nipa hu na ode ani de ne obu ama no
spirit of ba ye omo adwuma ma we free bi a wo free
okay
no mo adwene o youth omo we free bi a wo free omo we free wa hyase enu ntre ma Israel for no omo we free omo hyase a omo pay nyame foforo no ko sa na ba ate ba many pay ungrateful ba many pay heartless ba many pay disobedient. Some na de me bo man you refi obi a why the papa wo do no chezo no o man you refi na why ni nyina.
Pacha ma me fa nko achi kakra wo sha ase no sha ase with confusion e wo asori empanyimfo ni sofo mu e kwan be so na confusion be sha ase free sofo panyin ne nsori empanyimfo e fa sikasem ho ana
enye sikasem disobedient spirit of pride and e cause sa na man nipa wudu level say ye share ase asofo ye di omachi bia me nim sofo be baka say me di na chi obinya me ho asema kada me bo asofo amasfo amase a e de kone nchen so obinya me ho asema aka no
wow enti esa no sofo panyin na de adwen bi ba na omo ne nti ase na entawantawa na confusion ba na
emre bia only leader na ma leader have direct connection and a contact with the Yankopon.
Okay.
That's why commander I come ba na se kwa commander na wodi anim do no kan ane yeye. What I mean? So when you commander ni free ono mo a maka ni nyina no mo be ye war slaves. To obi bia will fight against leader bia no onyame strike you.
Okay.
Ye Gehazi eno onyame diifo a onyame diifo na rejecting ma no prene ma. Enti no Bible say yare na ewo name so na yeden e ba ne so. What the imagine as and into the end of this man man ba no so na be jealous say last week me kan and obi o jealous be last week say me kan say e kire say be a wo one you don't deserve to be there only deserve to be there the jealous na sha ase a generate pain let the confusion so yeden aba nti no
say osan so say awareɛ sɔfo panyin awareɛ no was
say no panyin
asɔre ma
sɔfo panyin sorry ma yes o kreti sa ade no
na de ha adwene say Bible say de Awurade aka abomu no mo da se ne ntitim nti kwan be so obefa nipa so no aba betitim ana say honhom no beba awura sa partners yi mu baako no okoso break up.
One thing is that there is no any divorce free the two partners. I'm catching.
If you back home,
there is no any divorce free the two partners. All divorces are abandoning a second partner. And at third parties, you know, are the causes of breakup. It be at the families, it be your friends, like people around you, they are the causes of that divorce.
It's a bit different about it, but as creates a confusion.
Oh, be of Frabonte. I saw for be cry at the causes. I saw for be I saw our real good be for us for.
And I almost go no my baby.
Oh, diverted me teachings, you know.
I mean, that's what shame me hoka crammy.
Also, move no my baby.
I'm a better one as I say.
They were John and maybe or tete. One enemy motive. Our day, sad, on the one thing I've noticed about divorce and it's marriage and he said what the two become one the two no be one muntimi enti muntem better is a third party no eba be run baba beti muntem and into the way serious one person division and as what do you call it separation and now say divorce beba no the best you need to do is say if you begin to protect the third party now the marriage will break. Me too, are you forful? Are forful? In marriage, third party of baby no. Two no mumu do bena you say o protect no, and now o prevent no. 1% send pano beba sembia marriage in timi nkoda. Mame mfa ne se meyere no. What imagine say yeto. Na obi abeka me ho asem akere. I believe in near me bi no say papa me say ametie. Asem bia obi eni wiase odi obi. Sentu obi or Nigeria where movies say when movies. Ti obi say me I don't you me my pastor na ma no. O me frɛ nipa no. Ti me ma me ntin konkonsa na eboa me so. Ti me ebia bibi ba na me try 1 2 3 now you are trying to protect third parties you believe them are. Then I think say you go with that person. But if you really love the marriage or you respect the marriage, third party obi be no. We Emma what I mention as I mean, we say this is the pentu Adam and Eve crying and go pork and say, well, one and be influence say, or
that's one about third party.
One about third party. To what it to become a free. And Nipa na war ban, ni motive what they ban on him. To one you're very smart, one you're mature, then into say a man and woman will become one. One can say a girl and boy. And to mature people, no worry. If you're not mature, you can't get married.
Wow. It is better to us. Me person that kono share se cheche mu ye me ati ase.
As me say wo pa aware nti no wo beko ho. One nti now I was cause confusion in churches causing instrumentalists to be carnal and singers also to become carnal. Oh, who say instrumentalists ye carnal. Obi timi gira so obi di obi ato be say they don't respect but almost na ebo nyame nyom ye ade. Ti ni nyina spirit of bar and cause sad and also of course gossip in singing group. You see, we say, and you see, we so you say love. Anyhow, there's no discipline, disrespectful, and humbleness. You can't see them, you know, carnality makes gossip about others, making them forgetting where they are coming from. Ninya the spirit of bar, and some of them also on my epical love of money and beginning not to be honest with themselves and others. Also, one kind of correct. What the mention I say? Nina, the spirit of bar no, and a sad no, and of course, men of God to preach false doctrine. And not so for preaching false doctrine in the spirit of bar.
Fetching up to me. I suffer for a brain now. Say, or read the Bible, but more different interpretation, and that's what more can't somewhere.
We don't read the Bible, we study the Bible.
Okay.
And allow the Holy Spirit to interpret it to you.
That's all more sir.
Omunyanisa and a Bible na one it be a history. It be a poetry, it be prophecies, it be baka history on
poetry
and it be prophecies and it be laws and it be directions and it be inspirations and it be prayer, you know, and it be yes, say a poem. What did I mention? I said, and didn't you know our Bible anymore? And you need the power of the Holy Spirit to interview it. Interpret it to you. Without the interpretation of the Holy Spirit, you can never understand the Bible and you can never preach it.
No.
And when I meet yourself, will be say, "Obi sachra." You can't. Untimin sachra ne. And can say we Christian. Yes. I don't know. Baby, onya ne doctrine ni free, and baby onya side ni free. But Bible also said that upemuka born in office of crown wajen kwa that na obeye part of Christianity. Na true that no. Ena enkyerɛkyerɛ akwankyerɛ empaibo adisua ama be matured. But we say no nkyɛ so yɛ Christiani. But now for Christians so crown wajen kwa na ya obeka Christian asafuko no. To all this kind of teachings you know. And ade ba ko wo Christian so mu so a mehu no eno so ama ba spirit ni adwuma mo no ɛyɛ sɛ adwuma obi atimi yɛ bi ɛyɛ suffer any Christian to find the Bible wow wait me be aka no but won't me fa atade white nhye en fa pen in hospital so ba be hwa yare for na ntimi nhye black en konkotena court say we lawyer o baba be di asem ye be chew until the Christianity no split confusions be ba na de nyan po be do achisuna illiteracy kakra ye den ewum now try say bia wo correct na you be ye enemy. Obeka said the concrete year Juma books. But I believe say I was a lack of knowledge my people perished. And then Yami didn't defoe be lawyers, judges, teachers, masters, people with doctorate. Me I didn't about ministry. Munteno say maybe be see assembly so. Maybe be see assembly so. Sanko for no back ministry man who difference. And will be also the education background you're very good, but because of being humble and obedient, you know, when your leaders more than no what the mention say. And now Debbie asked me say Bible schools now no 50-50. Some of the schools are not bringing forth good pastors. Ubon say Bible school be bro nipa ne be wie no about 20% pay the bit my ministry no. Oh yes. And I don't believe so with back Bible school 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 3 years of.
Hey, now
if you quite 6 months. If you quite 6 months. Well, we also Bible suffer. But no.
Bibi di achire bi one son of.
Why should this man Bible school 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? Na mun school do amako. No, understand me.
So we need education more.
Me ba me chire wa debi. You cannot, if you want to be a good preacher and a good man of God, if you want to interpret the Bible, if you want to become a theologian, I'll bet me interpret the Bible here. You should be very careful. You need to study. Do personal research. What did I mention? I said some interpretations of the Bible anymore. They be say it's not right. What did I make actually? What did I say? Oh, Bible wa nipa na di shame. Nipa na di shame. What did I mention? And divert me teaching. You be no so make my mouth quotations be my church be brave. A ye nipa and a dish shame. What did I mention? And you be back.
Last week maybe say was saying be say I saw for na no omo ho no omo kokoko no. Omo susu na kwan bi so omo so dey split Yankopon ma wo.
Only so for be any issue what split the gospel. Remember be so.
That moment there's about spirit aye adwuma no.
Yes. And the men of God preaching false doctrine also are being caused by the spirit of Baal, causing men of God to fight against themselves, causing breakup in churches, causing men of God to chase.
I showed you home, mommy. I saw for now. We see our boss. Omunim say, home ne this humanity. And momu he na bibi ba omo so. Titi into kwasem ne bibi for omo so. Omunim say home we ne this.
They don't know, and some of them also know by ignorance. And tinema omo they portray themselves as if they don't know. Obo winim pa. But the course side in meba so. The spirit of unforgiveness at the side in ever.
Want me for bonenche.
Yes. You meba so. Even we are sorry. Na say we am born here. They say me yen say I was say me do born eche. To all these things, you know, The spirit of Baal. You know, he also calls other.
Until omo Bible school na enchire omo demonology no. Saa honhom money no see ebi nim. Omo ya saa na omo cause confusion, omo konko omo no ebi nim ignorance. Ba omo Bible school na enchire omo saa dewe.
Me ye demonology nko for good years.
O specialize ya na say
special.
Ti any general one na enu enchire obi ya maybe any na
omo. Me say me study demonology for 4 good years. Tino do no so the whole school ni nyina no 1 year. Oh yeah, about 16 courses. Minimum course that people and say how many na they study demonology.
Kakremre kakrebi.
What did I mention as? What did I mention as? And I also did it in masters. But me what did I mention? And international difference.
Ah,
e wom. Tie ma ho. Ye be koso e kire ni awe. And you know say man nyina and he also calls other men of God to chase their fellow men of God's wives and our wife. Oh, yeah, my sofa be breach, so more. A sofa repair or more Adam for sofa yere. Now, Adam for sofa pan, you're a bit massing, a bit another. So, no, sofa. Bad spirit, jealous, ebino. Yes.
Ashafo. Mama me ani na hono mo titu ni asofofo nti wo hye wotie yes wo ye bi da wo ye ma show me so so ye ma show pan ti mesre se enchechre na ye de bre no be momodin bia na watie na yakopon nam na ko so no watimi amoahunu na so wo mu bia watimi afiri mu sa bre ye wo question bi anase wo musambisa bi wo problem bi a me de number yi tudwa na watimi afre ana wo send message na ya boa wate 0242 381 585 0242 381-585. Bomadi bia me sure so we ma show why you be pain na nya wo na nya de open no bibi anetai bibi echi ansa na asem nsi no bibi nsi kwa bibi na ekoso bibi wate enkase aka echi yankopon nam ne difo so enam na sem ka so ebetimi ama wo so wafiri mu ti bomadi ane frɛ wo suggestion bia na woni mo bi nso akosa ate bia ni mu a bomadi bia me hu yankopon show so for penyim pa cho yen to aso
causing breakups in churches, causing of God to turn the gospel into insult and also disrespecting each other. So for we preaching, we attempt to preaching, we say the spirit of Baal and it's hard because they drew baby no or the before they share Moses, manka Moses, free Yankopon.
Because I want to do it, I didn't so share near
the so share. Me best me issue where say be Jimmy. Me can't Jimmy na must be can woman. E be Jimmy ignorance account because any kind say you know gospel no at the asumdwe neba nti asem bi abeka bi abema fellow Christian and as a man of God a bit my create tension at the insult now mo ye na ba no mo say mfiri nyame nyame is a peacekeeper what I mention I say enti no ebiem so no it also caused men of God to turn the gospel into a different dimensions. You see them only doing concert and making some stuff.
I'm sorry, ni bi ono mom say ewura sorry dem a yemfa mpabo anwura ho. Ebi say eboduka, ebi say saint sano difference asema kan e relate to enu ana.
Bible say a time is coming now. According to John 4 verses number 24. We say a time is coming the true worshipers will worship the Father in spirit and in truth. And we say a time is coming we are not going to worship in these mountains again. Nyamesom what I mention say eya akomem. We say nipa hwe aniwa. Na me de me hwe akomem. Ade we say nipa eye ehu ni say ade so anya bia woni nipa na ma wo so bompe so obehu the type of nipa na na. We the physical appearance what I mention say obejeje wrongly. Because the physical appearance always deceived. What did I mention? A bit deceive you say ya. But we share bomb na the type of nipa on nam. So we be na kuma mu nya dunya me hu ni mu bia no. So when nam a possibility say wuntimi nko ne high. But obi nyame nkonkron hye ne ma nyame nkonkron tini mu wona kuma aye ready for nyame no. On to so sa ne manhuni so. Obi ka asem tia na wode ne bone ye den e che no. Enye se wagimi. What I mention, but Miss Mary reply, Miss Macama General, and a display ten a day. Eba, what am I saying? And it also make men of God think so higher of themselves that they are the best. As if we bring someone a best. I know. Which a beam someone a best, someone a holy. So for we holy. So for when you say I saw when your papa who is perfect?
No one.
Do you have anyone who is perfect?
There be that.
What did I mention? I said, maybe Becca can say me brave. And microphone beat me, and I saw for Jessica, and I saw for yes, say, and I saw for yes. So for be Jina baby, Jessica, so be Jina baby, or to I didn't know dear Jessica. Me, I don't have a problem with that person. That is a quite honest so. All for what Dinas Gade Yamia Juma. A bisu honoma winning. One may in the public, I'm a 20, but be bad and she will trouble the man. Jessica say answer. And so Jessica. Obu also one year be a book na water. Book na water, typical of a first buyer, be a 2 billion, 3 billion for maneto. When you don't turn near money and the men Tory was sorry. And 20 cent per difference here then. Oh, there's no difference. But this person will come outside and come and preach. No, I can't simbi. No, but let me tell you, Onyanko Ponkwa, what see you many in the mum. Onyame ba one in him.
Papa.
What did I mention? I said, Nyamini in him. And I just see them say there are people at the basket using them to cause confusion in the house of God.
To mom, yet me was casting away. What dear now, we about me, or mom, yes, I'm so aspirating a
basket in a yes, Adian. Or Momu Yusu wealth. And with the wealth, so no provider of wealth, no, and you two nyame, any mammon spirit. And nyame, me say nyahan time. Nyame, the ediasum joining one eba. To be a dinner, who near Mabia, Japadi, and a car, and be a would be a deed to be an unim coupon. One thing I'm some assay.
Okay.
What did I mention? I say, I tell you, no, the spirit of bar no to me, yes, I did because Osha and Crawford, and do baby, no, Dominion says, yes, you nyame. Israel for you call Egypt, you say Egyptians, they were dear we. And just say near the Sardian, oh, to the mention, one would say, Yameno, ever to Moses Yankopon, or Momu refu or more. To told me we wait channel. Remembers doors of channel, may ya dear wait channel, and spirit of bar, and a Sardian. Do you see them, the church fighting against themselves and condemning other men of God, other ministers? So for you, Jenna baby, condemn, so for way in your papa. Yano, now, who your papa? When your papa because in the cast doors, when your papa because, oh, Sika. Or your papa because why you never got any hero problem when you because what were your papa? What papa we any day?
Any day.
What did I mention? I said, Yamini name dear papa. Yame Obia now you say Judas on to me call any Yeshua and Koda. Obia now you say time will come and Peter because we need Jesus. So we should be very careful about our judgment. Your judgment should be we should be very careful about it. Some men of God judge wrongly. Or John Papa no cancel Murubian when you're they are backing them. And they are being used by the spirit of Ba. Spirit of Ba is using them to destroy the kingdom of God, to cause confusion, to break churches. What did I mention? I say, to say you when you say you nyamia suffer. Obu also an individual and suffering a what problem. When you suffer no problem, no, I find a person I know they are attacking the church. And don't forget the Bible says that I will build my church. Onyamso be suffer. There's someone who put me in chief for so that just only suffer no problem and suffering daily. And you nipa and find a friend sorry ma. And to solve your best idea is not matured, suffer.
Wow.
Or immature. Don't consider the congregation any opportunity when you're with TV preaching, radio preaching. I'm telling you, when you're matured, no matured preacher will mention names, will attack anybody. Who be saying any proof? I want to prove because they're spiritual. What did I mention? And it's in me. What they only make us say, make us say, proof. Division be brabe bushiem because of a suffer. O ka because men kobisa me ka asem to make so kwa kobisa. Papa. Wo kwa asem ko na wo create confusion. Ebusuan ebusuan matete, enuan enuan matete do fo no obi ma ware matete, emmemu nte obi no ma me te sei pa, ma me be fo, ma me te nipa ho. Enye etimani panya be yi. Enye etimani panya mistake. But let me tell you something. To say Christianity ye betiasie. Say it's one and it's love no. The splitting will continue.
But your says to be mammy, I'm there.
So say Christianity better say we are one. And Christianity is love. The splitting will continue. Wow. This year Bill say bako. Pentecost 4. I want one crowd. I don't know what is wrong with them.
I didn't.
But Pentecost came from a church. CSC for one crowd so be CSC. If I saw him the buy. Catholic for one baby, but Catholic came from a church. Methodist, that's the method, came from a church because they are applying the method. What I mentioned, CSC is applying the apostolic method, And the evangelical churches and the Pentecostal churches, we also came from different churches. So we are one. I just say wow, no I say tre. But say tre wa papa mu ade asomdwe
Papa.
By that we for so many ways it means one man for asomdwe but churches ni wa when they are so mature that the Spirit of God is using them say one mu churches ni grow. So far na kwa ya prepare na de na ekọ. No akọ start a branch. Eno ni enye splitting. Bible is confusion. No aka assembly no atwa tro na sofo kra wanye papa ene nyame bie mani amahu say sofo no bebia ogina nya papa ntimi ko baabi no na mo nsori musa so be kombia so ne mfiri nyame
eno ontene de ne mfiri nyame.
But let me tell you something, do bia ko bebia so mfiri nyame wan mfiri nyame a won timi start ministry so I'm telling you won mfiri nyame to okwa the spirit ne sa de ne nhia. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Sofo bi asem tu nua won feel that pain no, you are not from God. Yes. Asem tunia. Sofu biya wuntimi. Enu ntina. Mesre Christian Council for say omo mrem. Christian Council no me hu ade bo Christian Council mu a me hu say the spirit of bad no so work wo mo pa. What the fear ewura wo mu.
Sir,
what the fear ewura wo mu. What the fear ewura wo mu. Ni mebu wo person beka. Ana obi anadwen so a gentle. Or protecting the image. But say Jesus was your sanka Christianity and to me. I thought that you need to allow people to tarnish your image. For God say, Bible said episode Yesu and people will insult you. Me must be making I'm attacking them. Maybe I don't deserve to say this. But one more and in some ways is also many room. I mean with the true men of God and the false one. Because what put me TV. Maybe will be cast as many panic and it's not from the Bible. Not in office, no asere. No affinity. Mary, baby, big grandma menom. So for you know what asere. No asere. No asere.
Yes.
Diana woye. You know, yebebaso. They should come in. They should come in.
See, okay, I'm a young man. Say, okay, says Christo. Some no, as Kobu say, don't say about any or don't know. Yes, as I said in church, been a Maya and son, it's me. I say, we need unity.
And children, the Bible no actually. And a Bible no don't actually. A Bible no do baby a contradiction. What's the measure? The more contradiction, but interpretations.
Papa.
If you want to be a good man of God, don't forget your Hebrew. Your Greek, your Hebrew must work. Your Greek must work. Your Latin must work, and your English, not in interpretation. Abba. Because most of the Bible, no, baby, why your Hebrew interpretation is not more no difference room. Arabic cross a womb. Oh, they make and if you want to be a good man of God, then that's why I study Greek and Hebrew. You are joking. With interpretations now, be wrong.
A bed in some maybe more teacher, more uncle school, but Yamia from
and no one call school in Yamia for a while. What I imagine on my ubia also bring what I as no training. You know, so far Bible na what can say the Bible can interpreting this. My memory should be a Mexican near my coso. Oh, you know, or so coso men of God to judge other people. So for you know, judging in your sofa or yet the end. And away when you win free obi credit because of cool sorry I won't go heaven. I mean, why should you say that? Now one crown no ya jajo. And I won't come because my walk no any in a different way. What I imagine and they are causing the fading of the church. Church na any church na Barcelona is the spirit of bar and a collapsing of the churches, misleading men of God and misleading the church members, also causing Christians to see sin as a normal act. Or men some not being born is a normal. Adia you know na eden enye hwe after all eden.
Wow.
Eden after all causing preachers to see insult as a normal act. O jina no preaching the din in atema normal, causing people to react and create false accusations. So for be tima transe no aka asem bi we wonye papa no twa to bi atuni nua so obi tim betena Facebook and okotena social media okotena aka we yisu aduro we minim dia waye ni nyina ye ba eno na dentitimu na e ma asori na ekofom aso na nyam nyina ekofom nyina esa na ma no titiw se ye benya leaders omo ye den abom paye abetima benya kase ewuram no the church will continue to fade. We need leaders they should be active. They be a misre pa misro man penyin said obi a wonim de obi a ye bi anye papa bia they should come out. Na omumrem what the mention say hwe ensme be sisi nya papa o me be cancel bi ade anya me ya kire me pa no by 47 days a day me ba be sisi wo Ghana na e rough within 47 years 47 days 47 days a day me ba be sisi rough areho Nime ba na meka me the tools be kan dey be dey akire tiefo. We should be very careful. Devil is using strategy bi. Na meba so. And you know and also no he does not allow preachers to be disciplined. So for no nye discipline. And causing Christians to set up their fellow Christians. Christian pa no asetni ne Christiani. Obi no obi ba ware na nadam for kwesi eche no akofre nipo ne ba no asɛ no we asem na ba so wa no we what say we no ahome on kasim what jimmy no be this ade ni bedu you know me no dey my trema ni kasim people eto obi okra na asem bedu mani me o be kasim say sofo hwe mama ye yi o sofo hwe agima yi o na wokɔ edi enti we John man mashara say me frɛ kɔ my friend pan so ombra we see me hwɛ we ye edi enti wo pese wo ni kura wade bia ma do that aboa me pa ti me nyine obi problem o debi because nipa bi woni maguase nipa bebre no madofo ntem atete ansori mu atete enuanu mu atete because of asofo ni bi wo be ka asem no wonim se do o kan nye papa false accusation no aka no de ato so no because of kakra obedient and the same thing Christian council mu say false accusation they may be cause of fine but me who say ebinum Christian council for ebinum they are ready to come out me ebinum so enye ready minim binum ase ye ma wo mo kwan Christianity be change within second e be change ti asra wo mo enka wo mo because ya hwe be ba nya papa wo mo kenya I trust them wo mo kenya wo mo no mo nya se wo mo makwa mo obi a no ofiri bia konfo nyina kaseti asofo ni sofo e kasa sofo edi sofo atam na mo hwe wo mo sa call them discipline them sanction kwan betim that to wo mo so asafo na so ne wo mo die o e Kristo dia praise baptist nyame die o onyame asafo enti obi enti metrem nya ne ope mo relax mo breso mo betim afre nkrofo me on pom mfrem nka ho I'm telling you, I'm from Christian Council. I may change within second. I may change. I'm telling you. Wo ya so de bebe wura so de mo ba be kira ade a wo ya enye. Members no be teach wo. Ma ye nya ma obi a nipa bia na o ka na opete Christianity. Obi a na odidi Christ for antem. Obi timita na o ka say Jesus. Mo say Ghana is a free of worship. The free of worship na obi meji mi nche Christ so. No. Free of worship na say so for me lu njimi. As so for any Jimmy, we should discipline them. So sentence we can sentence them. Cause what some of us can cause a crime. What I mention as yes, a sin on in but why you know if it goes against the nation laws, any constitutional, we can sentence the person. Wow. As so for na yisem no mu yo lockdown by nya no obi aka ashe. Obi aka ashe. Koye komo de o ma panyin be yo. And to am form na isi from Christianity begina. Yeah, church council for krom kobo empire ewe ye no. So man timi anchia. Timpa no bo am kro no mu nyini se be ye adwuma. Faith anya adwuma.
Amusuro.
O man timi amme wo mo ho. O mu shiro. Ana akọchia so ma panyin betima kam se man nchia na wo chia. Wo ze menjina se. Bank empire de e faith. Ya bom pe atia coronavirus. Wo ze menjia se ma ya nchia. Jesus din ko so o mo chia. Bobia corona no de emfani ni agro no matter wo Christian council leader no so panyin na wo ye wo grow no obegu animu ase wo dey mention say e ho ne na me ka besi say wo me say adifo na ehuna nka won asem tin ko mo ko bo mpaye no ho no mo ne de ko mo ma ne to ntwa hey ye nyina ikuo de give nyame de amaye obi anya obi a do so ye obi no awa so ne nyame nsa won so ne preach tiatia mo no me si won ko bi a o ma quarantine crofo no asofo no mdom so mu nyame nwosra wo mo so wo mo na e papa edifo na ehuna nka no mo de omo no ye papa no they should go to where ya quarantine go for no omo fo mo nsa kodo what are you talking about what are you talking about omo dwa wo manu ano mo attack prophets. Yeah, prophets na ehuna nka. It's okay. Go there. Una nyame nsa wo so. Na fa nsa kodo to am so am quarantine wo. Christian council for akra bon pe kro mu tete wo mu ntem. Wo de akwa